Welcome to a quick four-way stop tutorial. We are in Burnaby, Canada. Always yield to pedestrians. Drive up to the line and have a complete stop with your front bumper behind the white stopping line. If you are the first car to stop, then you should be the first car to go. Just make sure the other approaching vehicle is planning to stop by making a judgment. You can go at the same time as another car if you won't be using the same part of the road. So your most common potential conflict will be when turning left. If you're just going straight or right, you won't have as many potential conflicts. Just make sure people are going to go the direction they say they are, and that is a whole different story. What I like to do is roll up to the line and have a nice, clear, obvious stop, and just take a look at who stopped before me. Anyone that stopped before me should be going before me, and if they stopped after me, they should be going after me. This white car on my left stopped after me, so I'm going to start rolling forward so everyone knows that I'm planning to take my turn. It's kind of like body language, but for cars. I stopped before the white car on my right, so I'm going to start rolling forward. And I'm just going to make sure this other car is indeed proceeding straight, and I can go at the same time. It looks like I stopped after all of these three cars, so I'm planning to go after the three of them. But we always need to yield to pedestrians, so I want to wait behind the line until the pedestrian is safely off the road. Seems like it's my turn now, so I'm going to start rolling and take my turn.